Now vertically opposite angles. When two lines, let us take two lines as AB and CD. AB and CD intersecting each other at point O. These two lines AB and CD are intersecting at a point O. Now AOD, that is AOD and BOC are two vertically opposite angles which lies opposite to each other. You can say it looks like X, in the form of X. And we have another one more vertical line, that is AOC and BOD, which is straight opposite to each other. So that is also called as vertically opposite angles. Axiom 1. If a ray stands on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree. That is, we have a straight line, ABC is a straight line, and we have another ray BD. Now the sum of these two angles, just like that, adjacent angles will be always equal to 180 degree. Axiom in the sense that we need not prove it. It's just a statement which is a true statement. Next one is axiom 6.2. If the sum of two adjacent angle is 180, then the non-common arms of the angles form a line. It's just the converse of axiom 6.1. So the diagram is going to be the same thing. That is what they are saying it is. If when I adding these two adjacent angles, if their sum is 180 degree after adding these two, then the non-common arm, this is the which is non-common arms, this AB and BC are two non-common arms. The two non-common arms will be a straight line. Now let us move to theorem 6.1. Statement is, if two lines intersects each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Just now we have discussed that what is vertical angles. Now we are going to prove that the vertical angles are equal. So the proof of the theorem is, first let us draw a diagram. Here it's given that two lines intersects each other. So we need two lines and those two lines should intersect. So I have drawn two lines. That is line AB and line CD. They are intersecting at a point O. So we have two lines AB, another line is CD. Those two lines are intersecting at a point O. And we know which are the vertically opposite angles. These two are vertically opposite angles. And these two are, and the 3 and 4 are another pair of vertical angles. Now we have to prove those vertically opposite angles are equal. Let AB and CD be two lines intersects at O. And these are the vertical opposite angles. Now we need to prove that AOD will be equal to BOC. That is first vertical opposite angles. Then this one, second vertical opposite angles are AOC and BOD. This is what we have to prove. Those two are equal. So in order to prove those two are equal, what we are going to do it here is, angle AOD, this angle AOD and BOD is a linear pair of straight line, because this AB is a straight line. So if I add these two angles, it becomes 180 degree. When I say AB, I should start the measuring from A and the measuring should end on the other end of that same line AB. So it becomes 180 degree. That is AOD plus DOB is equal to 180 degree. We are taking that as equation 1. Similarly, I can take one more linear pair. I am taking it as BOC and BOD. This is also another linear pair, because CD is also a straight line. I am going to use this one for second one. BOC and BOD are linear pair of straight lines. So when I add those two, it becomes 180. I am going to take that one as second equation. Now these two right hand sides are equal. The equation 1 of the right hand side is 180 degree and the right hand side of equation 2 is also 180 degree. So they are equal. That means equation 1 and 2 are equal. So we can equate the left hand sides. When we do like that, we get angle AOD plus angle BOD. Equation 1 of this left hand side, and this one I got it from the left hand side of second equation. Now both the sides we have angle BOD, that too with same sign. So if I take any one of the BOD to the any one of other sides, it gets eliminated because it becomes positive and negative. So finally what is the angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. That's what we have to prove it here. Angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Similarly, as we have done like this, you can prove the second one, that is angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. So what we are learning it from this theorem is, if two lines intersect each other, the vertical opposite angles are equal. This is what very important. We are going to apply it in the problems.